Hello my friends, welcome back. Today I want to show you how to replace front brake pads on Acura ILX. Okay, let's get started. First we raise the car up with a sharp lift or floor jack and a jack stand, and then remove the front wheels. The wheel removed, let's turn the rotor facing toward outside. Okay, it's facing now, so we can see it's easier to work on. Then we're gonna take this 14mm bolt for the brake caliper, the lower one off. So we use a the 14mm range. Break it loose. Sometimes the slide pin spin when you try to break loose the caliper bolts. Use a 19mm range to hold the slide pin so that you can break the bolts loose. If you try to break in the bolt, the caliper bolt, and it doesn't come off, you use a 19mm range to put it on the slide pin and hold it and turn the other wrench on the opposite way. See, just break it loose. Well, it's easier two hand, but I only have one hand. So break it loose. And then take the 14mm all the way out. Here you go, the lower caliper bolt 14mm. Then we lift the brake caliper assembly up. Slowly. Okay, then we just keep it upright like that. Sometimes you can use a bungee cord and hook it from here to the strut so that it doesn't fall down, like that, and hit your hand. You don't want that. So, just be careful with it. And then here's the brake pad spring, so you can remove that. Here's your brake pad. Now you can remove the brake pad, and when you take it out, you notice that the one inside has the metal sensor, the wear indicator on the top. So making sure that when you put in the new pad, this one stay on the inside pad and on the top. So making sure that you put it on the properly way. Okay. Same thing. Just remove the outside pad. Here you go. That's the outside pad. Then you got the pad out. Check for the slide pin right here. Making sure that it's slide in and out easy, doesn't get sticky or anything. Same thing with the top one, looking good there, so they both move freely. Look good. So we got the new brake pad, so we're gonna lubricate the top edge right here, and then the outside, the bottom edge right here, and then on the outer brake shim area. Then same thing with the inside pad, we're gonna lubricate the top edge right here. Where the sensor is, that stay on the top, and then the other edge down here. The reason I'm doing this area because that's where it's contact with the brake caliper piston surface right here. So that's metal to metal, and then you want to lubricate it so that it doesn't make noise. Same thing on the edge here, then the lower edge. Okay, both pads, lube it. So we're gonna put it on. So the one with the sensor is the inside pad, and it stay on the top. So you put it in, put it in the angle, and then slide it in. Outside pad, same thing, put it in the angle, like that, then slide it in. My big channel lock to compress the piston, the caliper piston in. Just open it up, squeeze on the the plier, and it's compressor. See, it compresses. Now it's flush with the housing. The piston is flush with the housing, so that's the piston fully compressed. Okay. Then don't forget to install the brake pad spring right here. So here the spring, let's put it on. And then put the spring on, and then we lower it. Well, after you put the spring on, you use one hand to hold the brake pad like this, and then the other hand lower the brake caliper assembly down to put it back on. Okay, let's do that. Be careful, because it may fly off and hit you in the face. And then lower the brake piston down. One hand holding the brake pad, and while the other hand lower the brake piston down. So I have the spring installed in there. Now I'm gonna lower the brake caliper assembly down and put the 14mm back on. Okay, 14mm caliper bolt. Then make sure that you tie it down and torque it to specification. And then making sure that you torque it down with the torque wrench too. Oh, it's good. Head replacement is done. Let's put the wheel back on. And okay, make sure that you tighten out the lug nut also. Okay. Okay, we're good. The brake pad replacement is done. The car is low on the ground. Let's torque the wheel. The wheel's torqued. Let's get inside the car. Pump the brake pedal. The engine off, and the brake pedal should get firm after 4 or 5 pump. And you know the brake pad is seated. The brake piston is extended, extend now, and seated on against the brake pad. Then start the engine up. Then you'll see the brake pedal slowly sinking down. It's slowly sinking down, but it doesn't sink all the way to the floor. You know that the brake system is good. And if it does sink all the way to the floor, the brake system has air in the system, and you need to leave this system. Okay, that's how you replace the front brake pad on the Acura ILX. Let's go test drive and making sure that vehicle stops safety. Well, thank you for watching. Please hit like if the video is clear and easy to follow, and subscribe to my channel for more video to come. Have a wonderful day and take care everyone.